Big changes are underway at the BBC as the broadcaster gears up to slash over 100 hours worth of TV shows this year. From top dramas to beloved entertainment programs, the axe is set to fall on a wide range of content. Join us as we unravel the reasons behind this decision and explore what it means for viewers. This is CelebXplore Hub, and today, we're diving deep into the BBC's dramatic shake-up. According to the BBC's annual plan for 2024-25, viewers can expect a significant reduction in new TV shows across various genres. Original dramas and entertainment programs are set to bear the brunt of these cuts, with about 100 hours worth of content on the chopping block. The decline in first-run original drama is projected to be 13%, reflecting decisions such as the cancellation of the BBC One daytime soap Doctors. Additionally, entertainment and factual entertainment shows will see an even bigger drop of 15% in hours, down to 850 hours in the upcoming financial year. Children's programming will also take a hit, with 10 fewer hours committed to new content across CBBC and BBs. These reductions amount to an overall decrease of 105 hours of original TV programming. The BBC's projections indicate a significant increase in its total deficit, reaching £492 million for the 2024-25 financial year. The report attributes these cuts to ongoing pressure on the BBC's finances and the rising cost of programming. As the BBC faces financial challenges and shifting viewer habits, tough decisions lie ahead. While some beloved programs may face the axe, viewers can still look forward to the return of familiar favorites like Silent Witness, Call the Midwife, and RuPaul's Drag Race UK. Stay tuned to CelebXplore Hub for more updates on the evolving landscape of television.